Hello everyone. New Year is just round the corner and as always, I'm very sure you must be having some New Year resolution. If one of your resolutions over the past years and also for the upcoming new year is reading books, then this video is just for you. In this video, I am going to share with you very simple and very easy tips that you can actually follow. I guarantee you that if you stick to these simple and easy tips, you would actually fulfill your resolution this year of becoming a reader. So without much delay, let me share with you these simple tips. Number 1, identify the genre. You need to identify the genre of the book that might interest you the most. It can be anything, right from romance to thriller to motivational, management, business. Well, the choices are endless. It is up to you to understand what genre interests you the most. One of the common mistakes that new readers make is to pick up a wrong genre. For example, let's say you, as with all of us in some point in our lives, have entered into a phase of feeling low due to some reason or the other and end up picking up a motivational book just because someone has recommended this book for you or you have heard or read somewhere about this book. Well, if this genre interests you, then great. But most of the time, people end up abandoning their read. Believe me, if you pick up a book from the genre of your interest, you will automatically feel motivated. So this tip of choosing the genre of your interest is the first most important thing to do to identify, in order to identify when you pick up your first read next year. Number 2, pick up short books. Start with books which are not very lengthy. Pick up the books that are in between 150 to 200 pages. The thickness of a book can either make or break your motivation for reading, and again, you might leave this resolution of yours midway. So picking up the compact books ensures that you have a psychological edge and you continue reading and finishing your book. I've mentioned the names of some books in the description below that might interest you. Number 3, short stories. One way to ensure that you pick up the reading habit is to start reading books that offer a collection of short stories. There are so many great books with short stories, and picking up short stories, you will ensure that you continue finishing your book, as finishing one story at one time will add to your motivation of reading. I have listed some really good books of short stories in the description below. Number 4, simple vocabulary and language. When you choose books with words and statements that you don't follow or you don't understand, it can demotivate you. And you might end up generalizing the language for all books. So choose books that are written in simple vocabulary and that is written in any language that you are comfortable in. You can check whether you understand the language of the book by actually reading some online samples of the book. Some links where you can sample the books are given in the description below. Kindle app also offers you this feature. Number 5, consider recommendation just as guidance. If someone has recommended you some book, then take it as a guiding factor, but pick up the book only if you feel that you are comfortable with the genre, length, and the language. People recommend based on their interest. Do not take that as the final verdict for fulfilling your reading interest. For instance, it is okay if you have not read a very highly recommended fictional book just because everyone is reading it. If you feel that this type of book will not interest you, do not pick it up. Stick to the above 4 tips to ensure that you start reading this year. Last but not the least, do not quit. Make yourself a promise that you will not quit your first read midway, come what may. You know, when I first started learning guitar, there were a lot of things that came my way. Like my fingers were hurting, my wrist was paining, and the initial classes were really boring. But I continued to pursue and learn and overcame these initial problems, making the learning of an instrument easy, really worthwhile, and now I really enjoy playing that instrument. So commit to reading every day and finish your first book. Remember, whenever you start something new, it does take some effort to adapt to this thing into your life. So keep reading and make an unbreakable promise to yourself that you will not quit your first book midway. Hope these tips will help you pick up your first book, and hope that you become an ardent reader and become a part of the large reading community by the end of the upcoming year. All the best. Happy New Year to you, to your friends and your family. Till next time, bye-bye.